Editing class settings for an existing class. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Make sure the class you want to edit settings for is the active class. If the desired class is not the active class, select the class from the classes list. Choose the Settings tab from the left menu. The class information screen now appears. In this screen, you can change the name for the class, the academic year, the type of academic semester, grade level of the class, and/or the standards that will be the default selection for that class. You can also change the requirements that your students must fully complete lessons and assessments before they make their submissions, or you can choose that your students can leave some of the questions and tables blank and still submit their lessons. Once you complete your selections, select the Save button on the bottom of the screen.